Yo, what's the vibe, YouTube? I ain't gonna hold y'all too long because my boy downstairs. So, y'all know Nene, Neymar, whatever y'all wanna call him, my Guyanese friend, feel me? So, I'm finna pull a prank on him, right? I'm finna tell him we gonna do a challenge. Well, I already told him we gonna do a challenge, but he don't know what challenge we doing, right? So, he on his way over here. Well, he downstairs actually, so I'm gonna wrap this up real quick. I told him we doing a challenge that see if who could drink the most, Jamaican or Guyanese. So I don't know. I'm gonna tell him like do some work because I got the hold up. So I told him who could drink better, Jamaican or Guyanese, Caribbean edition, some shit like that. I told him one of y'all told me that to make a video who could drink the most water wins $100. But little does he know that this shit. Y'all feel me? I got some thick water. So I'm gonna pour it in one of the cups. And like, probably like a third cup. I'm gonna put like, I don't know. I'm gonna put like 4 cups each. No, I'm gonna put 5 cups each. 5 cups of water. See who first can finish that 5 cup. And then they win $100. But I'm gonna put this in there, feel me? I'm gonna load all of this in 1 cup. And watch him trying to gulp it. And see what happens to him, just to catch his reaction or some shit. But he didn't. Yeah, he downstairs. Alright, I'll get y'all in a minute. Alright, so right now he's in the. I don't know. I don't want to talk too loud, so he can hear me. But right now, in the living room, he came in right now, and I should have gotten the thicker water because this one is not that thick, but it's thick. You feel me? I should have gotten the thicker one, but he's gonna get into it right now. Yo. What's the vibe, YouTube? As y'all can see by the time it's down below, we back in another video, man. I here with my boy.
What's good?
You feel me? Oh, I got you, I got you.
But what's good?
Yo, what's the vibe? Yo.
Bro, come on, bro.
Nah, I didn't see it.
Come on, bro.
I was looking that way, I didn't see it.
Alright, come on.
You feel me? So,
good, y'all?
yeah, I know he got it, right? And
Diddy boy.
them niggas act like they the best at everything. Feel me? So I don't know if y'all can see this by the way, but they act like they the best at everything. And I'm finna see. I don't know. It's a little challenge to see who could drink the most water. Who could drink the most water without this is like practicing. Who could drink the most water?
Alright, come on.
1 go. You see, the person who wins. Let me show y'all. This shit's real, bro. Get $100. So
$100?
yeah.
You like
Right here. Hey, put up the cup. What is that thing? Alright, so without further, I ain't gonna hold y'all for too long. I'm gonna jot on the seat. This little there. Alright.
just look crazy right now from far. You ready?
Hold up. I'm gonna do a timer.
Alright.
Hey Siri, set a timer 10 seconds. Put on the
10
blood
seconds. Starting now.
10 seconds for each one?
No, 10 seconds and then it'll start. Then.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Give me hot water, boy. What the fuck?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Got him! Got
Go. Hang on, dog. Yo. What? Oh, what happened? What happened? I'm taking the camera. What happened? What happened, dog? happened? Let's go to the bathroom. What happened?
Nigga, you poison me?
What? Well, hot water?
When you put in the water?
You don't put none in that water.
Bleach?
Why would I put bleach in the water? What? Why would I put salt in that
It
water?
was salt.
It wasn't salt. Oh, remember I put salt in that water.
That shit.
Why would I put salt in the damn water?
Bro, you cheating, bro.
How am I
bro.
cheating?
You cheating, bro.
How?
Taste me, drink me water.
I drink the same water.
No, bro. Look the saute.
No, I didn't. Are you cook the macaroni and cheese?
Bro, the sauce is made. How it
Are you cook the mac and cheese, bro?
Nah, bro. You trying to poison me, bro.
Oh, me I try pies you. How me I try pies you?
Taste, but fuck up. Right down, bro.
Alright, so we done.
Fuck it, yeah, you want me? Start already.
What?
Come on, bro. You doing
How is it a prank?
this what to eat? What the fuck has been bubbling? What the fuck?
Nah, don't put none in that water, bro.
Bro, this water bubbling, bro. No, bro. Look.
Hey.
It's bubbling, bro.
It's not, yo. The water not bubble out.
It's like you put baking soda or something.
The water not bubble.
Watch your water clear. Watch me. I should have known something was up in the water since I look at it, you know.
Where you going? You good? You good? Drink some more water. Some of the $100 there, right? The 100 is mine, right? The 100 is mine, right?
Huh?
The 100.
Yeah, you win. You win.
Alright, alright, yeah. Hey, hey. Alright. Alright, so y'all see your boy coming through, your boy Juan. Your boy Juan.
Oh my god, the next prank crying. What the hell is this, bro?
It's clear water.
Thick in water, what the hell?
Thick in water. Thick water.
No wonder you come and tell me about oh you get water prank for do. No one see.
Water challenge.
No one.
Like, I was gonna get the thicker one, but I said, no, he gonna realize it.
Bro,
Because when you
seen
move the
that
cup,
shit,
it's not gonna move.
I seen that shit, bro, but I was like, why does water look so brownish? No wonder you said that something like it.
What?
When I asked you,
Oh yeah, well he said to me, if I use pipe water, I'm gonna say something like that.
water, pipe water you using here. I said something like that. I should have known it was a prank. I expected, but I ain't expected to be in the water, you know. Fuck.
Yeah.
Good one, good one,
Good one, eh?
None of thought.
Alright.
Let's know. It's on.
It's on?
It's on.
It's on. Alright.
No, just know it. No.
Alright. Anytime.
War.
Anytime.
Is that alright?
Team Sean.
You make I drink pies and water.
Team, Team Sean. Anything you have to say before the end of the vlog? Team Sean. Say what you gotta say before we end.
Just know. It's problem. Alright. Remember who last laugh?
Love this. Alright, so look up more.
Bye, have a great time.